Right now, the traditional tech job market is stalling. This chart outlines the hiring rates for standard tech roles over the last year. Demand for quality assurance engineers dropped 12%. Data analyst hiring fell 4%. Meanwhile, junior developer salaries have stayed flat. But when we expand the graph to include emerging AI-adjacent roles, the trend reverses. Hiring for LLM operations is up 85%, and AI safety engineering demand has spiked 120% year over year. Companies are pushing entirely new AI-powered products to market, and they lack the internal staff to maintain them. A traditional web application operates on predictable logic, but an AI feature requires specialized operational handling to function properly. You cannot apply standard site reliability practices to large language models. These models degrade over time. They hallucinate false information. They require complex, real-time monitoring that simply does not exist for traditional software. Because the problems are complex and the talent pool is small, the entry-level salary floor for these emerging roles sits at $90,000, with senior positions pushing past $250,000. If you want to make this pivot, you face a specific trade-off. You have to decide whether you want to optimize for the fastest possible transition into a high-paying role, or if you want to prioritize career longevity in a more difficult technical position. Capitalizing on this market does not mean starting your career over from zero. It requires taking the exact skills you already have and adding the specific AI knowledge needed to secure one of these new positions. If you come from a background in content writing, communications, or traditional product management, your most direct route is the accessible frontier. The most widely known role here is the prompt engineer. In practice, this requires running systematic, rigorous tests on language models, implementing few-shot examples, and tweaking context windows to ensure the AI returns high-quality, predictable outputs every single time. This table breaks down transition metrics. A writer or PM can upskill into prompt engineering within a year, reaching a salary up to $250,000. AI product managers command up to $350,000. Reaching that level requires combining user research with technical literacy. The trade-off for this high accessibility is long-term vulnerability. Prompt engineering has a short shelf life. As foundation models rapidly improve and self-optimize, the need for humans to manually craft complex prompts will diminish. There is a 5 to 10-year runway here before the baseline tasks are handled by the models themselves. Similarly, AI product managers face intense operational pressure. You are responsible for navigating unpredictable model hallucinations while justifying the massive computing costs required to run AI features at scale. This pathway delivers a fast financial return on investment. But if you take this route, you must climb into senior, strategic positions before the entry-level tasks are absorbed by the models. If you possess back-end software, data pipeline, or DevOps skills, you belong in the core infrastructure pathway, managing data required to make AI functional. A retrieval augmented generation, or RAG engineer, connects foundation models to a company's private external data sources. You build the vector databases and ingestion pipelines that allow a chatbot to actually read and query internal company documents. Alongside them is the LLM ops engineer. This is the AI equivalent of site reliability. You monitor live models for degradation, manage version rollbacks, and implement caching to control expensive API costs. Looking at the core infrastructure table, transition time is 3 to 6 months for back-end engineers, leading to salaries over $290,000. Because demand outpaces supply, these roles offer a projected runway of 15 years or more. The barrier to entry here is steep. There is no room for non-technical candidates to move into these positions without a strong engineering foundation. You must be able to ship clean, production-ready Python or Go code. You must understand embeddings, retrieval algorithms, and Kubernetes platforms well enough to keep a brittle, complex architecture online. The technical depth required for these positions creates a career foundation built on infrastructure that remains necessary regardless of short-term market trends. For QA engineers, security professionals, and data scientists watching their traditional job market shrink, there is a third pathway. AI safety engineers are hired to break things. They actively red team AI systems, attempting to force hallucinations or bypass security filters to design necessary guardrails. Working parallel to them are model evaluation specialists. They build specific datasets and run statistical benchmarking to determine exactly which language model performs best for a company's specific use case. The transition timeline for these rigorous protectors is 4 to 9 months. AI safety positions start around $120,000 and scale past $300,000 for senior talent. Unreliable AI is a massive liability. Corporations are paying top-of-market premiums for engineers who can ensure their consumer-facing products won't generate disastrous outputs. The trade-off is market volume. This is a niche field, meaning the total number of open roles is smaller than what you'll find in standard product engineering. You also need a high tolerance for repetitive work. Evaluating models requires a meticulous, detail-oriented mindset that many developers find frustrating. But if you possess that analytical rigor, this pathway offers low market competition and high operational impact. To make this transition work, you have to map your existing career capital to the role that demands it. This flowchart maps out the exact pivots. If you are already a software engineer, data engineer, or DevOps professional, follow this top path labeled Code and Infrastructure. You need to learn vector databases and model monitoring. Moving directly into RAG or LLM ops establishes a path toward a 15-year career runway in high-demand infrastructure. If your background is in QA engineering or cybersecurity, take the middle path. Your instinct to hunt for edge cases and failures translates directly into high salaries in AI safety and model evaluation. Finally, if you are a content writer, product manager, or business analyst, follow the bottom path into prompt engineering or AI product management. Remember the warning for this route. Expect a short shelf life for initial skills. Once hired, you must diversify your technical knowledge to stay relevant. Traditional tech pivots often require multi-year computer science degrees. These emerging AI roles require a 6-month upskilling sprint. Look at your background, calculate your personal financial runway, and commit to the transition path that matches your current resume. Never start from scratch. Take your existing professional value and only learn the AI-specific delta required to close the gap. By matching past experience to the future of AI infrastructure, you bypass the stagnant job market and move into a lucrative 6-figure position.